Here's a quick guide on how to apply your DTF gang sheets from DTF Transfers Now and how you can use both cold peel and hot peel properly.
Start by pre-pressing your shirt for 5 to 7 seconds to remove any moisture or wrinkles. Cut your gang sheet design and line it up exactly where you want it. Use heat-resistant tape if needed to keep it in place. Set your heat press to 300 degrees Fahrenheit with firm pressure of about 60 psi, pressed for 10 seconds. For hot peel transfers, wait just a second after pressing, then carefully peel the film off smoothly while it's still warm. Very important to do a second press with parchment paper or a Teflon sheet for 10 seconds, as this seals in the fibers of the shirt and ensures your shirt will last. For cold peel transfers, allow the design to cool before peeling, about 10 to 15 seconds. This helps everything stick cleanly and avoids lifting.
And that's it. Whether you're using hot peel or cold peel, applying our gang sheets is fast, easy, and pro results every time. Need transfers? Order now at DTFTransfers.com.